Right out of HGTV, you will definitely be impressed the minute you walk in the door. Fabulous open floor plan, lots of natural light, spacious kitchen, Bosch appliances, top quality hardwood floors, perfect home for entertaining with private parking for 5 cars, oversized deck overlooking beautiful level yard and dining area, stone fireplace. All the bedrooms are huge and tons of storage throughout, and wait until you see the master bedroom closet. A big plus, the basement playroom, mudroom and storage rooms not included in the square feet cul-de-sac location and convenient to all Route 9, Mt Pkwy, Hudson Riverfront, stores, restaurants plus living here in Continental Village. You get to enjoy the private lake, clubhouse, playground like a year-round vacation. Make an appointment today to see this wonderful, move-in condition home.